Hello everyone, it's Noah Boy. Welcome to a showcase of my Railway Series book collection. I will be showcasing some books that are from the box set gifted to me by my best friend GL Productions. Shout out to him, go subscribe to him. So let's get started. Here we have the 3 railway engines. Thomas the Tank Engine. James the Red Engine. Tank Engine Thomas again. Troublesome Engines. Henry the Green Engine. Toby the Tram Engine. Gordon the Big Engine. Edward the Blue Engine. 4 Little Engines. Percy the Small Engine. The 8 Famous Engines. Duck and the Diesel Engine. The Little Old Engine. The Twin Engines. Branch Line Engines. Gallant Old Engine. Stepney the Bluebell Engine. Mountain Engines. Very Old Engines. Mainline Engines. Small Railway Engines. Enterprising Engines. Oliver the Western Engine. Duke the Lost Engine. Tramway Engines. Then we'll show off some miscellaneous books. Original print of Edward the Blue Engine. Original print of Stepney the Bluebell Engine. Original print of Mainline Engines. Original print of Tramway Engines. Original print of Gordon the High Speed Engine. Original print of Henry and the Express. My childhood copy of the 3 railway engines. The Thomas the Tank Engine book club print of Thomas the Tank Engine. Book club print of Toby. Book club print called Duck and Dukes. My copy of Thomas the Tank Engine, which is a collection of Railway Series stories from Thomas the Tank Engine to the 8 Famous Engines. And to finish it off, we got the Thomas the Tank Engine Man by Brian Sibley. And that was my Railway Series book collection. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. And I would like to dedicate this video to my best friend GL Productions, wishing him a happy birthday. See you later. Goodbye.